Tired of seeing too many apps or recommendations you don't use on your Google TV home screen? This happens because default recommendations clutter your layout and apps aren't pinned in your preferred order. Here's how to customize it step by step. Step 1. Rearrange apps. From the home screen, scroll to the app you want to rearrange. For example, let's select YouTube from my favorite apps section. Now press and hold the select or OK button on your remote. Here are two options: move and remove from favorites. If you select move, you can use your TV remote arrow buttons to drag it to your preferred position. If you select remove from favorites, the app will be gone from the list. Step 2. Hide rows or recommendations. Scroll to the row you want to hide. For example, the Prime Video or Netflix row. Now if you press the left arrow button on your remote and take it to the corner, you will have the move and remove options. Select move and you can move the row up and down. If you select remove, you will be able to remove the row from your home screen. Step 3. Pin favorite apps. From your home screen, go to the apps section, select any app from here that you want to add to favorites. Now press and hold the select or OK button on your remote. And then choose the add to favorites option. This keeps your most used apps always visible. And that's it. You've now customized your Google TV home screen to show the apps and content you actually want. If this helped you out, then like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite customization tip below.